If you love the idea of minimalism but still crave a personalized touch, then building your tiny house is your next adventure. Building a tiny house isn't just a project. It's a journey to creating a simpler, more sustainable lifestyle. First off, the cost. Building tiny means less material, less waste, and yes, less expense. It's an affordable gateway to homeownership without the burden of a hefty mortgage. But it's not just about saving money. It's about customization. From solar panels on the roof to a fold-out porch, your tiny house can reflect your deepest desires in compact form. And let's not forget the environmental benefits. Smaller space means a smaller carbon footprint, making every day in your tiny house a step towards a greener planet. So prepare to embrace the freedom that comes with living tiny. After all, good things come in small packages. For a detailed step-by-step guide on how to build your dream tiny home, please click on the link below.